Very good day to our investor. We are from Group 2 Harmony Pharmacy that will be presenting our business plan to you today. Our pharmacy is established since 1st June 2019. Our owner, Mr. Abdul Kasim, was a graduate from Bayfront UKM with 6 years experience in community pharmacy. He was a former branch supervisor and branch manager at two well-known chain pharmacies before. We noticed the changes in customer purchasing style online, especially during this COVID-19 pandemic. It caused our drop in business sales. Hence, we plan to launch an online platform by 1st July 2020 to reduce queuing time by online booking, purchasing, and delivery feature with additional extended pharmacy services such as cholesterol checking, osteoporosis screening, smoking cessation, and weight management. Our objective is to bring convenience to more customers, enhance role of pharmacies, pharmacy services, and other healthcare services. We aim to improve public health knowledge by collaborating with pharmaceutical industry and other healthcare facilities. Our vision is to be the most accessible, convenient, and quality community pharmacy services in Malaysia. We aim to provide the most convenient and professional service with comparable price. We drive healthy lifestyle by providing trustable health information and education.
Next is purpose business. The first purpose business is patient counseling. Our pharmacists have excessive knowledge regarding the usage of medication, herbal supplementation, and also medical device. Next, our pharmacy will launch an online platform so that our customers can do online shopping and fill in their prescription through online. And the third purpose business is we will offer a few of extended pharmacy services such as smoking cessation, body weight management, osteoporosis screening, blood glucose and blood pressure monitoring, and also cholesterol monitoring.
The next point for business plan is membership programs. The benefits from these membership programs are customer can collect points which then can be redeemed with personal care or health supplement at the pharmacies. The members of our pharmacy will get virtual card on their phone. With virtual card, it is easier for customer to shop at our pharmacy without the need to bring their wallet. The next point is teamwork and collaborators. The benefits of teamwork and collaborators: first, funding; second, contact and advice; third, motivation; and fourth is image.
Okay, now let's see our strengths and weaknesses. Firstly, we appreciate our customers through offering membership for the gift exchange and some discount for items. Second, we have customer database for easier repurchase and disease progression tracking. Third, we also offer extended pharmacy service which include BP, blood glucose, and cholesterol monitoring. However, there are some weaknesses which include the limited recognition of pharmacies as we only operate for 1 year. Therefore, we will put more promotion activities for this. And we also lack of fund for price competition, and therefore we will be more focused on providing the best customer service.
Competitors are large chain pharmacy, established independent pharmacy, and our marketing strategies are membership, promotion, collaboration with other healthcare professionals, website or social media where we have our own website and blog. We also give out flyers and we do live sharing session weekly discussing different health conditions and diseases.
As you can see from the layout, our pharmacy has two cashier counters beside the display area. We have a counter for prescription, screening and testing services, a dispensary with compounding area, and we also have our own counseling room which can provide privacy and comfortability for our customers. These are our suppliers listed under controlled medicine and OTC product, health and wellness, and others such as rehab devices and wound care. We will work with more suppliers to provide better experience for our customers.
Forecast cash flow, we have estimated the cash flow from July to September. The estimated cash sales in July is 150,000 ringgit, and the cash sale will increase by 5% in August and September. The estimated cash outflow after taking on considerations of expenses as stated here will be 165,850 ringgit in July. This will make up of total negative 15,850 ringgit. The negative profit because of higher cost to start up the business, including the cost for software and website development and occasional services. However, in August and September, the profit is positive, as stated here. The estimations of total profit after taking on 25% income taxes is 322,250 ringgit. For capital and investment details, the capital is obtained from 50,000 personal saving and 150,000 from loan with 4% interest rate and durations of 8 years. Thus, the total monthly payment for loan is 2,062 ringgit and 50 cents.
In the future, we aim for Pharmony Pharmacy to receive accreditation from Malaysian Society of Quality and Health so that we can gain more confidence from community towards the quality of our services. Next, we aim to provide pharmaceutical care services to patients with mental disorders since this is the most worrying and increasing illness in Malaysia, and pharmacy seems to be the most accessible and approachable than doctors. Last but not least, we aspire to open 2 more branches by 2025 in another state in order to benefit the society and to be known in Malaysia.
Our Pharmony website helps our customer to know what we are doing and additional services we are providing, such as medication counseling, BP monitoring, weight management program, and smoking cessation program. The web page was also set up to promote sales and activities organized, such as open day and monthly sales. It's also a reservation site for any medical counseling and for the additional services provided.
That's all from us. Pharmony Pharmacy, great health brings harmony. Thank you.